bagong pitas na Everk Sweet Langka. Ito yung pinakaunang bunga ngayong season. Ganito lang buhay ko sa farm. Simple sana. Actually, this is the life that I will miss should I be given the opportunity to serve my people again come 2025. Actually, matagal ko pinag-isipan yan. Masaya na sana ako sa buhay na ito. Simple. Malapit sa mga apo ko. Naiikot ko yung farm sa umaga. Natitignan ko yung mga manok ko, kambing, mga tanim ko. But I was thrust into this situation again. Kailangan kong bumalik sa Kapitolyo because there are things that need to be corrected. For one, yung probinsya namin kasi, North Cotabato, is one of the richest provinces in Mindanao in terms of resources. In fact, it is called the food basket of Mindanao. But right now, our poverty incidence is high at 29%. Our children malnutrition rate is also very high. And ang nakikita ko, walang sustainable programs na ginagawa para matutukan ito. How do we end poverty? How do we improve the health of our children? Hindi pwedeng puro ayuda lang yan. Hindi pwedeng puro distribution ng bigas. Hindi pwedeng tsinelas, payong, sombrero, bisikleta or whatever. Etong mga ganitong programa walang impact yan sa buhay ng ating mamamayan. Panandaliang relief lang yan. So, while I really feel reluctant about going back to politics at my age, I feel it is my moral obligation to serve my people again. And I believe that God leads me to this way. Whatever happens, sabi nila kasi maraming pera yung kalaban ko. Whatever happens, it's God's will. And should I be given that opportunity to serve again, I will serve my people with all my heart, with all my talent, everything I have.